Hello everyone, welcome to Radiology Cases tutorial. Today we are going to discuss the hepatic benign tumors. We'll study about the different sonographic features of the hemangiomas, focal nodular hyperplasia, hepatic adenomas, and the biliary hematomas. Let's start now. Now this is a typical hemangioma in the different patients. They are most commonly found in the women than the men. The typical appearance of the hemangiomas is they are homogeneous hyperechoic mass that is usually less than the 3 centimeter in size, and they have the sharp and the smooth margins. Typically they are rounded and slightly lobulated. As we can see here, these are the typical hemangiomas, homogeneous and hyperechoic well defined masses. But here we can see aliens with the isoechoic center and the thick peripheral and hyperechoic halo, and this appearance is sometimes referred as a reverse target. And the color flow here shows a lesion with the scalloped borders and flow in the vessels adjacent to the lesions but no flow within the lesion. Now these are the atypical hemangiomas in the different patients. This is a hypoechoic hemangioma and the steatotic liver, but here we can see the hypoechoic and heterogeneous hemangiomas. Now this is another atypical hemangioma that is hypoechoic and heterogeneous but smaller in size. Now this one is the large hemangioma that is partially calcified and hypoechoic hemangioma. Now here we can see the hemangioma with the hypoechoic rim producing a target appearance, but here we can see the hypervascular hemangioma showing high vascularity on the color Doppler. Now we are going to discuss the contrast enhanced hemangiomas. This is the view of a large atypical hemangioma that shows the heterogeneous echotexture that is predominantly hypoechoic. Now this is a contrast enhanced hemangioma. Following the administration of the intravenous microbubble contrast material, the peripheral contrast enhancement is seen with the typical puddling pattern. Out of 100, only the 2% of the hemangiomas enlarged on the follow-up scans. Now this is a rapid change of the hemangioma of the same patient. The initial view of the hemangioma shows a typical homogeneous hyperechoic pattern, but the similar view obtained later in the same examination shows the change in the appearance of this lesion to a predominantly hypoechoic pattern. Now we will discuss another hepatic benign tumors, that is the focal nodular hyperplasia in the two different patients. This is the one patient. The grayscale, color Doppler, and the pulse Doppler views of the patient show the typical focal nodular hyperplasia. The grayscale view shows a slightly heterogeneous mass that is predominantly isoechoic to the liver. The color Doppler here shows the typical spoke wheel arrangement of the internal vascularity. This is the pulse Doppler waveform that confirms the arterial nature of the central vascular flow. Now, similar views of another patient with the focal nodular hyperplasia. The grayscale view shows the target lesion that is slightly hyperechoic centrally but has a hypoechoic halo. The color Doppler view shows the spoke wheel pattern, and the pulse Doppler view confirms the arterial flow within the lesion. And this is another focal nodular hyperplasia. The transverse power Doppler view shows the isoechoic mass that distorts the liver contour, and there is a disorganized vascular pattern. The three-dimensional view here shows the typical spoke wheel pattern. Now we are going to discuss another hepatic benign tumor that is called the hepatic adenoma and the different patients. The adenomas occur most commonly in the women that are taking the birth control pills. Their sonographic appearance is varied and the non-specific, and in most cases, the initial imaging is necessary to confirm the diagnosis. As here we can see the solid hypoechoic mass, and here the two homogeneous hyperechoic masses that are simulating the hemangiomas, and this one is the heterogeneous mass with both hypoechoic and the hyperechoic components. Now these are the power color Doppler views that are showing the different levels of the vascularity and the hepatic adenomas. Now we are going to discuss another hepatic benign tumor that is called the biliary hematomas and the two different patients. The biliary hematomas are the rare benign lesions consisting of abundant fibrocollagenous tissues containing the disorganized bile ducts. and they are typically less than the 5 mm in size and scattered diffusely throughout the liver. And these lesions are usually solid, non-shadowing, homogeneous, and either hyperechoic or less commonly hypoechoic. As here we can see the Bailey hematomas of the two different patients. Now this image shows the scattered small hyperechoic lesions all measured less than 5 mm. But here we can see the more extensive lesions all measuring less than 3 mm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for further videos, and if you have any question then ask me in the comment section.